once again, this is a Tita Yaki channel. It's a nice video here in France. It was 37 degree in this day, but now it's already 9 o'clock in the evening. Ayun, parang before going home. Look at this one. Oh no, it's not a swan. It's a goose. It's beautiful. This area here is in Bagatelle, 92-200 New Sourcing. It's about 5 kilometers away from Paris. It's touching Port Mayo, touching 16 arrondissement. Very nice weather. Look at that, it's very dry. The land is very dry. A lot of people they stay here and they go picnic. We go there because someone they do fishing. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Bye.